this is a video to testify that this is a really good device if you're using it on a weekly basis, or if you have just like a really recent fresh spill. But I just want to note that on tile, you are not going to get any kind of grout cleaning, though it's not necessarily going to push dirty water into the grout as you would if you were mopping or something like that. And I just want to point out that we've got some cracks and chipping of the grout, but I just want to point out things like this little stain right here that I could probably get up with my fingernail. I just want you to see that as far as scrubbing, you don't get scrubbing. I'm going to sit on top of it. Nothing. Okay? So don't buy this thinking that it's going to mop your floor for you in a miraculous way. It's not. It is a very, it's just a nice